Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the German short rows in the round. When you have worked the number of stitches stated in the pattern, turn your work, insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle, purlwise, slip it off the left hand needle. Now bring the yarn to the back, creating the double stitch. Bring the yarn forward again and purl until you get to the next turn. Now we're ready to turn. The yarn stays in the front. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand needle purlwise, slip it off the left hand needle, bring the yarn to the back, creating the double stitch, and here's the double stitch, and then knit until you get to the next turn. And here's the double stitch. Now we're going to turn now. The yarn stays in the front. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle purlwise, slip it off the left hand needle to create the double stitch. Bring the yarn to the front and purl until you get to the next turn. And now we are ready to turn again. The yarn is in the front of your work. Insert your right hand needle into the next stitch on your left hand needle purlwise, slip it off your left hand needle, pull on the yarn a little bit to create the double stitch, and knit until you get to the next turn. Now we're going to turn our work again. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle, slip it off the left hand needle purlwise, bring the yarn to the back, creating the double stitch, and then bring the yarn back to the front. Here's the double stitch. Now purl until you get to the next turn. Turn your work, and now we're going to knit all the double stitches. So we're going to bring the yarn forward, slip the next stitch off the left hand needle purlwise, bring the yarn to the back, creating the double stitch. Now keep the yarn in the back, and now we're going to knit the double stitches. So it's almost like a knit two together. Insert your right hand needle, knit twice into the double stitch, into both of these loops, like this, and knit them together. And then keep going until you knit all of the double stitches. And the last one on this side. Here it is. Insert your right hand needle into both of these. This is what it looks like. And knit them together. And then just keep going until you get to the other side, because we have some double stitches on this side still that need to be knitted. So if you continue working in the round, you will knit all of the double stitches. And here we have a couple of more double stitches right here. This is my favorite way to work a short rows. And here you can barely see the short rows in the knitted fabric. Now to work the double stitch on the purl side, purl until you get to the double stitch. And here's my double stitch. I'm going to, with the yarn in front of me, I'm going to insert the right hand needle into both of these loops. So you can see there's two of them, purlwise, and then purl them together